I am just blown with anger right now. Blown with anger! I don't usually get angry. So this one's no. Oh, YouTube. You're idiots. I am not violating your firearms policy. I'm not. This is a quick pierce. It takes a CO2 cartridge. Does this look like a firearm cylinder to you? Does it? A little too flat to be a firearm cylinder, doesn't it? This is a latch. Not a firearm. Powered by CO2. It's a launcher. Pellet rifle. Powered by 90 grams CO2. HDX 68, powered by 2 CO2 cartridges. Activates from here. Not a firearm. I can go on. I could go on. I am so sick of you, YouTube. Well, you can't tell the difference when a real firearm? Are you that stupid? You can't tell the difference from a real firearm and just basically a CO2 launcher that's powered by one of these? You need some better expertise, YouTube. I'm not violating your policy, and I want to sue you. And I just might take you to court.